let's pop the hood. Oops. Now, admittedly, I've not dusted under here because, like I said, I haven't been driving it. But voila, you get the picture. So now here's the radiator shroud I told you, or support that I had painted. Look how freaking good that looks now. Get close up on that. Look at that. Boom. So good. And then there's the battery. I should say battery. Some attention to the details. I put a lot of these bolts in. On top, on the plenum. I meant to get them for the center of the plenum, but I didn't have a chance yet. It's a Pro Charger. It's kind of dirty. I actually polished the front of the engine myself, the timing cover. Back up a little bit so you can see it. And what you won't be able to see now because it's light out, there's a LED kit. So if you're doing a nighttime show, right here, you press this. Well, you can see right there. I'll show you. There's blue LEDs that light up the engine bay to reflect off of the polished aluminum everywhere, and it looks so sick at nighttime. You can't even imagine. I'll try to send you a picture of that. Let me start the car so you can hear it going. Back so you can hear the exhaust better. No idea who that was. Oh, let me show you the doors. You can see there's no perfect way to see no dings. Look at that. You can see the reflection perfectly. Tell me that's not like a mirror. No dings, no way. You'd see them in the reflection. Same thing here. Oh, there's the family. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Do a drive-by with them.